हेलो स्टूडेंट, हम डॉक्टर पंकज गोयल। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मैथमेटिक्स 2 पेपर। लास्ट टाइम यूनिवर्सिटी ने पेपर कंडक्ट किया था 2018-19। आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज द गैप ऑफ 2 ईयर। 1 ईयर पेपर वाज नॉट देयर एंड द लास्ट ईयर ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर वाज देयर। हम we will discuss the important topic of mathematics 2. First, these are the topics. You can see the first topic is Taylor and Lorentz series. Always start from Unit 5. The first topic is Taylor and Lorentz series. It's very easy that first you write the partial fraction. For example, if I say that 1 upon z minus 1 and this z plus 2 ka square. So write this a upon z minus 1, b upon z plus 2 and c upon z plus 2 ka square, like this. There will be given some region. For example, if this region is given as modulus of z minus 1, that is greater than, let us suppose we say 3. This is given. So in this first one, z minus 1 is there, same one will be there. We will write this one as z minus 1 plus 3. And we will take common greater value as common. You can see here z minus 1 is greater than 3. From here we will take common as z minus 1. Similarly, we will change here to like this. We change in all the partial fractions and then expand using the binomial expansion, right? The second one is applications of complex integration. In this case, always you will write d theta equal to dz upon iz, right? And we can write this cos n theta in denominator. Denominator we write cos n theta equal to z की power n plus 1 upon z की power n upon 2, and sin n theta, this sin n theta you can write this z की power n minus 1 upon z की power n upon 2i, and in numerator we'll write the real and imaginary part. For cos n theta we'll write the real part, and similarly for sin n theta we'll write the imaginary part, right? Imaginary part of this one, like this. We'll solve. These are the two important topics you can take from the unit 5. Now we come to unit 4. The important topic in the unit 4 is at origin fz is not analytic but CR equation satisfied. And the second important topic is Milne-Thomson's method. Find fz, and also you can ask in the question ask as u or v. Find the value of u and v. Either u is given, find v, or v is given, find u. In unit 3, there are the two topics, important topics, Fourier series and half range Fourier sine and cosine series. The Fourier series, there is only one formula you can use there. And if you are not able to solve the integrations, in that case, if you write the correct formula and then just solve the integration up to the step where you are comfortable, you can always get 4 marks, right? Similarly, half range Fourier sine and cosine series. In this case, in the formula there are 2 upon L, 0 to L integrations and then the functions, right? In unit 2, you can pick the topic Dirichlet and Dirichlet extension theorem. And the unit 1, the change of independent variable and normal form. Out of these two, I think there should be only one question should be there. Variance of parameter, very important topic. One question should be there and simultaneous equation may be there. May or may not be there, right? But the change between 2018-19 paper and this paper, there is a topic that series three solutions of differential equations. That topic is not here. And the second change is in the applications of complex integration. There are the questions as minus infinity to infinity or 0 to infinity. So this topic this time is not there. Now we are discussing the model paper, right? I make a practice paper. You can solve this paper. In section A, this is actually the 20 marks, 10 into 2, 20. In section A, there will be the 10 questions. You have to attempt all questions and 2 marks, one question for 2 marks. And from each unit, I think there should be 2 questions, right? In section B, we are discussing first section B and section C. In section B, here, the one question is like this. This is A, B, C. Numbering is not actually correct here. A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Like this. In the first part, you can see the change of independent variable. Either here is change of independent variable or most probably here is the variance of parameter method. You can solve these questions. Second one is from second unit, I think Dirichlet integration will be there. And for this one is Fourier series, and you know the formula for Fourier series is fx equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma of an cos n pi upon lx, this is the angle, and then plus sigma bn sin n pi upon lx. And apply the formula a naught equal to 1 upon l, lower limit to upper limit, right? And this fx dx, an is 1 upon l, again lower limit to upper limit, fx, right here cos n pi upon lx, n pi upon lx dx. And similarly, the formula for bn is 1 upon l, again lower limit to upper limit, and this fx sin of n pi upon lx dx. Apply this formula, write the limit, and here L is equal to, in case of Fourier series, we will write upper limit minus lower limit upon 2. And in case of Fourier sine cosine, we will always take the upper limit, right? The next question we can pick this one. The fz CR equation at origin satisfied, but fz is not analytic. In this case, we will suppose y equal to mx, a curve, and we will take the curve from the denominator. Like here, if I say here is x ki power 9, x ki power 8, write these two terms as equal to x ki power 8 equal to y ki power 6. Cut the power, 2 4 ja 3, 3, and you can suppose that y3 equal to m x ki power 4 as the curve, right? Find f dash z and apply the formula for f dash z equal to f dash 0, that is equal to limit z tending to 0 fz minus f0 upon z, and take this curve and last write the two paths for two different value of m. Prove that the f dash 0 is not unique, and we can say fz is not analytic at z equal to 0. Here is beta gamma function. Next one is variation to parameter method. Either this question will be here or there, right? And in the section B, the last question is Taylor series. Either here is Taylor series or there is the question 0 to 2 pi. Any one question is there, right? And then comes the section C. In question number 3, there will be 2 parts. You have to attempt only one part, right? And in question, next one question is there will be 2 parts. One is I think beta gamma functions, applications or some proof of formula, and other one is application as well as, or there may be the Dirichlet integration, right? Now comes the question number 5. Here is convergence of series using Rabi's test or ratio test. There are only two tests in our course. And here is half range sine or cosine series. In half range sine cosine series, if I say FCS, so always take L equal to upper limit, right? And the formula for this one is fx equal to only the first part, first two part. Fx is a naught by 2 plus sigma of an cos n pi upon lx. And value of a naught will be equal to 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx dx, and an will be equal to 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx sine of n pi upon lx dx. You can write this one. Similarly, you can use the Fourier sine series. Fourier sine series, only the one term is there. Fx equal to sigma bn sine n pi upon lx, and where bn is defined as 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx sine n pi upon lx d, like this. In the unit 4, there will be the analytic function Milne-Thomson method may be there, and bilinear transformation. In bilinear transformation, the formula is W minus W1 upon W1 minus W2 into W2 minus W3 upon W3 minus W, and that is equal to Z minus Z1 upon Z1 minus Z2, and this Z2 minus Z1 upon Z3 upon Z3 minus Z. If any one value is infinite, then first take that value as common from numerator and denominator, convert 1 upon value and write the value as 0. For example, if I say let W3 infinite, we can write the left hand side is W minus W1 upon W1 minus W2, and write this, take W3 as common. So I write this W2 upon W3 minus 1, and similarly denominator we write 1 minus W upon W3, and the rest formula is same, and we will write W2 upon W3 equal to 0 because W3 is infinite, like this. So by apply this bilinear transformation here, residue theorem, I already explained this. Cauchy integration formula this, so we have to solve only the one question. In my channel you can find any topics. We have the videos of all the topics. I also sold the 2018-19 paper, university paper, AKTU paper. In description the link is there, video number 32 to 35, and the university paper is also there, link of university paper also there, and I am also giving the link of this paper in my in the description of this video. अगर आप कोई ये वीडियो आपको, if you like this video, then kindly just pass on to your friends so that the maximum student can take the benefit of this channel. And you can search my channel by the name, my name Dr. Pankaj Goyal, and you can find the channel. Also in the description link is there, you can find the channel from there. Okay, thank you very much.